Hello Joel and welcome to this arrivals at Kuala Lumpur video, which we're about to share. Kat Kum Ka, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Kat Kum Ka, thank you very much. Bye bye. Welcome to this arrivals at Kuala Lumpur Airport video and how you arrive here and the process. We've just arrived on a Thai Airways Boeing Dreamliner from Bangkok. And we now have to make our way down to immigration, baggage, and then we gotta get a SIM card, and we also have to get a Grab taxi. So we'll show you how to do those few things when arriving here. First thing first, always follow the signs. Look out for the arrival signs as you come in. Normally it's to the right. Actually, it's looking like it's to the left today. Indeed it is. We're in one of the concourses. So Maro's got to lead the way. On to the left, baggage reclaim signs are what you're looking for. It's nice and cool in here. So Maro, you got to motor it. There's the train we're going with. So it's straight up. Over to the train.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
A lot of people here. It's a big plane, the Dreamliner. A lot of us arriving at once. You can see there's an Air Mauritius over there on my left. Let's just make our way downward. Shuttle train is free and it takes you from the satellite building to the main airport building. That's where the immigration is. There we go. The train that we're about to ride takes about 1 minute. 1 minute between terminals. Carrying on down, there's the jungle in the middle of the airport and there comes the shuttle. I don't think we'll make it for that one.
The Aerotrain to the main terminal building will arrive shortly.
It's the jungle walk. Unfortunately, it closes at 7 in the evening. Most of the this way, Maro, into the train.
Huh?
Into the Aerotrain. We go to the end here.
Huh?
Go to the end. We have to wait for the other train.
Aerotrain pembangunan terminal utama akan mencapai 7 lagi. The Aerotrain will depart to the main terminal building shortly.
And off it goes. They're very quick, these trains. Anyway, hello from me, Maxi. And we just brought to ride the Aerotrain, but we're not going to show you the whole ride. It takes about a minute. And we'll see you when we get to the other side.
The Aerotrain to the main terminal building will arrive shortly.
First they open the one door, then they open the other. Go to the front, if you can. Yeah, maybe go a little bit over. Where's, I don't quite know where they're.
Just stand here somewhere.
Yeah. Stand here.
The doors are clear. Please stand clear for the doors.
The other people on the other end. We'll see when we are over in the other building.
Perhatian, tidak.
We will be arriving at the station soon. Hold the handrail and mind your steps when exiting.
And here we are.
So,
So, there's the arrival sign. So we're going downstairs from here. Straight away downstairs, Maro. So this is very easy. Train comes right to the arrivals. Back in Kuala Lumpur.
yeah, it's a nice airport, isn't it?
Lovely airport. As far as I remember, we should be going straight to immigration now. Hopefully they got the system they had last time, which meant we could check
All
in
other airports.
straight away. All other passport, KLIA passport, yeah, straight. So as we come down here to immigration, I'll turn off the camera because I'm not allowed to
Are we taking the travel later?
film in there. Yeah, why not? And when we pass immigration, we'll be back again. Don't forget to fill in the digital immigration form before you leave. You must do it 3 days before you arrive in the country. Up we go. Immigration coming up. So we'll see you on the other side. We have the Danish passport, so we can use electronic machines. See you just now. Just passed passport control on immigration, and that took like 5 minutes. If not only 3. Very quick. Now it's time to follow the signs again. It's off to baggage reclaim.
Yeah.
Very quick service here at Kuala Lumpur Airport. We used to wait for at least an hour in the immigration line. Those automatic machines that really make a difference. And as mentioned, just register beforehand, 3 days before. It has to be 3 days before you arrive in the country.
Yeah.
And they have processed all your details already, and that's why it goes so quickly.
Yeah.
Marlo is leading the way. The first thing you do here in the baggage reclaim area is check which baggage trolley your luggage will be coming on. We came from Bangkok, so we're looking for a Bangkok flight, Thai Airways. Do you see it, Maro?
Bangkok.
Bangkok, 11:55.
E. Number E. Open
Okay,
already.
see, it's this way then. E, here. Down on the bottom here.
Huh?
This is E. It's coming in 1 minute.
Uh-uh.
And you're leading down the way. I think they come this way normally. Here we have the baggage area. Once you've claimed your baggage, you'll have to go through customs, and then you'll be in the arrivals area. That happy feeling when your luggage comes after a long journey.
Yeah.
We got our luggage, and
Yes.
now we're going to make our way through customs. I'll turn the camera off there also, obviously, and we'll see you in the arrivals area. Then we're going to just quickly freshen up, draw some money, get a SIM card, then find a grab off to the hotel. Customs coming up, so I will turn the camera off. That's the arrivals area, and the arrivals doors are just ahead. As you can see, those of you at hotels, the Shangri-La Hotel, actually that's the hotel we're staying at. Probably the driving services around here. But welcome to Kuala Lumpur Airport. We're back.
Indeed.
Waiting area. Take a right turn, Maro.
From here there?
Yeah. So I said, we just got to go freshen up, and then we'll show you where to draw money and where to get a SIM card. Just down to the end, Maro. Straight down. Nice arrivals area. A lot of eateries here too. There's a currency exchange here on the left if you want to use that. We've used that before. Nowadays we just use a automatic bank machine. Toilets are just up ahead here. And the electronic shop. And the banks are down there, I can see, as usual. We'll go down there in just a moment. Freshened up now over to the ATM machines just over here.
Yeah.
And we always use Maybank. We've never had any bad experiences with that bank, or at least the ATM machine. This is where you draw cash if you want some cash. Always nice to have before arriving at the hotel or for a grab. We normally pay tax, or normally pay cash, sorry. Money withdrawal done, not a problem there either. Now off the SIM cards, we'll follow Maro straight down past the arrivals gate again.
Okay, from there.
Yeah. I'll just take the back route here. We're going to be coming back this way and going down those stairs when the grab comes. Oh, sorry, to go and get the grab. And we go. It's that red logo they had. You'll find the SIM counters or the data counters if you want a SIM card, local SIM card, all in the same area here in the corner of the airport. I believe it was that Hotlink we went to
Huh?
last time.
Where?
Just check the prices as usual. Travel unlimited plan, that Tune Talk. I think it was that one, Mar.
Which one?
This one here.
The tune.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Tune Talk is the one we used last time and that was very good.
Yeah.
SIM card went very well also.
Yes.
50 Malaysia ringgits for unlimited for 15 days.
Yeah, each 50.
For each. And we use Tune Talk, which is the booth behind me. And on we go. Now we off to catch a grab. Maro's leading the way. Straight out past the lifts. And if the lifts are not too busy, we can take a lift down. It's a lot easier. Maro's got a little speeder on. As we make our way on with those lifts, they're always full. It's also where you take the train into the city, the KLIA Ekspres, and I can see it is as full as ever. Last time we took the escalator down all the way. It's a little bit of a hassle when you've got a lot of luggage. Off we go.
Should we take the escalator again?
Yeah. See there, the e-hailing is on the first floor. There we go. Israeli should get a few more lifts here. And it doesn't work, Maro. So I guess we have to wait
Yeah,
for
I'm
the
not
lift.
carrying it now.
So we'll take a lift. Let's take the next one when they come back up. So we are forced to take the lift today.
Sorry. Please
And we're
go.
on the ground floor. And out we go. So, back off, man.
Yeah.
So, down, straight down to the end. So, straight down, Maro, all the way to the end.
Yes.
Now we're looking for the grab pickup area, which is down here on the end. E-hailing straight up ahead. There's the Grab waiting room. So this is what we normally do. We come down to the Grab waiting area and then we call our Grab, so we're sure that we're down here. So that's how you do that, arriving at Kuala Lumpur. If you enjoyed the video, do leave us a like down below. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you like this type of video, or not. And thanks for watching. And I think we better give a goodbye from me, Max.
Yes, and for me, Maro.
And we hope to enjoy Kuala Lumpur.
Oh, yes.
Looking forward to it. Have a lovely day,
Yeah.
everybody, and thanks for
Yeah.
watching the video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.